The next cardiovascular machine is the treadmill. Please step on carefully onto the side. And here we have the emergency clip belt that we could clip onto our shorts or our t-shirts just for safety in case we were going to come off the treadmill. Next thing you want to do is press quick start. It takes a few seconds to count down, and then the belt is now going to start moving. Okay, so from here, get comfortable on the belt. We want to start to walk with a heel to toe action, staying right in the middle of the belt. Now remember, the treadmill is a cardiovascular machine, so it's going to predominantly work your heart and your lungs. You're going to feel it across your whole body, but predominantly in your legs also. If you press up on the screen, we could increase the speed, and our heel to toe action is now going to go more towards the front of the feet onto the balls of our feet. Keep swinging your arms, engage your core, maintain neutral spine while looking forwards at all times. To slow down the machine, press down on the arrow, and then when you have slowed it down sufficiently, you could then press the stop button. Alternatively, you can also increase or decrease the gradient that will incline or decline the treadmill into a hill. Okie dokie, now's your go. Okay, step on carefully onto the belt. Place the clip onto your shorts. When you're ready, press the quick start button. Get ready for the belt to move. 2, 1, okay. It's going to start off nice and slowly. So when you're ready, just press up to increase the speed. You could go to about 5.0 kilometers an hour as a fast walk to begin with. Excellent. Okay, keep swinging your arms, staying in the middle of the belt. Make sure you're looking forward. And we want to have a heel to toe action while walking, and if you do increase the speed, we're going to become more of a jog onto the balls of your feet. Excellent. So if I was to use a rate of perceived exertion scale 1 to 10, 1 being very easy and 10 being maximal or very hard, where would you be right now?
About a 5.
Okay, great. Keep that up, and when we're finished, we're just going to slow it down by pressing down on the arrow and then the stop button. Excellent.